Dan here from FFX with Chris at Bosch HQ, and we're taking a look at some corded items because if you've got a big project, you're going to need some big equipment. Chris, can you tell us a bit more about this?
Yep, so what we've got here is our drywall sander. So this is the GTR 55-225. So this is a 550 watt equivalent mains powered drywall sander with a 225mm head.
What's this best suited for?
Okay, typically, as I said, this is a drywall sander, so if you've got large amounts or large surface areas, or entire room of drywall that you need to have sanded down for finishing, or if you're sanding down joints, then typically you use a tool like this. It's nice and light because it's 4.8 kilograms.
What kind of accessories would you use with this? Sian, hi.
Hi Dan. So we've got the perfect accessory to suit the drywall sander. This is the M480 Net starter kit. It comes with a pad saver and 3 different grits in P80, 120 and 180. We also have the same innovation for random orbital sanders. And this one is 150mm and 125mm.
Great piece of equipment, great accessories. Get yours at ffx.co.uk.